How to fix Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V, or Ctrl+A not working on your laptop's keyboard. What's up everyone, welcome to the video. In this quick tutorial I'm going to show you guys a quick fix if your laptop's Control or Command key is not working. Let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is head over to your desktop and find your PC's icon. Then you want to right click on it, then click on Show More option. And then here you'll find an option to manage your PC. It will open a dialog box like this. So on this window, on your left side of your screen, you can see system tools like Task Scheduler, Event Viewer, Share Folders, Performance. So you want to open Device Manager right here. And from here, you want to head over to Human Interface Devices. So just click on this drop down and click on your HID compliant device. Right click on it. Then you have an option to update driver, or you can go ahead and click on properties first. And from here, click on details and again, click on driver. Then you have an option to update driver here. You can browse for your driver right here, click on next, and as you can see, the best driver of your device is already installed. If it is not, then you'll see an option to update your driver, so I suggest you do that. And after you do this, just give your PC a quick restart after closing down all of your windows. And another method that you can do is again go ahead and click on your search bar, search for Device Manager, and from here just click on your keyboard. So click on the drop down and choose your primary keyboard. Right click on it and click on uninstall device. Once you do this, you might not be able to use your keyboard for a while, so you just give your PC a quick restart and then you should be good to go. It will reinstall your keyboard driver and then you should be able to use your command key perfectly fine. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button and subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one.